Catriona Gray appears to be enjoying her relationship with Sam Melby without dwelling on wedding talks for now. Well, I wouldn't be dating him naman if I didn't think na we have a chance to end up there. But we're not making any plans talaga, she says. Plano, not really, I think. We're both super duper busy right now. Hahaha, and sobrang nakafocus kami sa mga ginagawa namin. Lately, we see each other mabilis na lang. Tapos, back to work. Natawa si Catriona Gray nang tanungin kung ano ang nangyari kung bakit nagkalumit ang kanila engagement nila Sam Melby. Well, I wouldn't be dating him naman if I didn't think na we have a chance to end up there. So, yeah, I mean, it is naman something na minsan we talk about it. But we're not making any plans talaga. Sakaling ikasal daw si Catriona kay Sam ay wala naman daw magiging legal impediment. Paliwanag ni Catriona, no. Wala namang problema except that we're busy. Hahaha, I think, both of us still really wanna achieve a lot, and I guess, that's why it is called settling down, diba? It's like you focus on that when that happens. So, at the moment we are still focusing on other things. Hindi raw pinanghihimasukan ni Katrina ang relasyon ng nobyo sa mga career ni Sam. I don't want naman, overstep or anything, paliwanag ng aktres. And also, I mean, I remember when my parents are dating someone, I was, like, ayo. So, I don't want to get into that. Sa kabila ng pagiging abala ni Catriona at Sam, napunta sa hiwalayan. Ito ay sa gitna ng napapabalitang celebrity couples na kahit engaged na ay nagkakahiwalay pa rin. Komento ni Catriona, I don't know why, kung bakit nagsabay-sabay lahat. Wala naman akong masyadong maryak. Basta wag ako, ganoon. Hahaha, sabay sabi rin ni Catriona, sadyang iba-iba rin talaga ang pinagdadaanan ng bawat tao. But I don't know. I just feel like time is changing and people are changing, and people can have different, nabitin na pahayag niya. Kung bago ka pa lang sa channel na ito, mag-subscribe na at i-click ang notification bell para updated ka sa bagong chika.